The immigration system is so dynamic and immigration policy is so volatile and it changes so rapidly. And human migration patterns also change. We didn't know 10 years ago that Venezuela was going to end up in the shape that it did and driving so many migrants north, where we
Yeah.
didn't really have an understanding and a conversation around the impacts of climate change on Central America and how that is really displacing a lot of people. We're not talking about that very much in the US news. So some things are very similar, I guess, in terms of overall trends, but I think everything has just exacerbated. Everything is just leveled up. I was, thinking today about when there was 200 or 250,000 cases that were pending in the immigration courts, and we
Yeah.
were like, oh, what are we going to do? Now there's 2.5 million, cases. Um, and the number of people arriving at the U.S.-Mexico border seeking asylum, those numbers are up. I mean, there's no way around it. There's a lot more people arriving, and it does put pressure on the system. At the same time, all of this is also fueling and fueled by political partisanship and fear mongering and all of that, which is all really unfortunate. There's a lot of misinformation out there. So I think a lot of the themes are similar. We see people come back